Nanababaw Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Season ning Huerin Pampanga. Ngayon pong ngaldongay ni at yung kami po kayo ning San Fernando, Pampanga. May imbita kami po ngayon ning ngaldongay ni para pabalumi po kaya kayo na at yung po ining California Milk Tea. Bayo pong milk tea shop kay ni Dolores San Fernando. Yung pinaka landmark siguro is arap yung pong JBL Hospital. Ang po ining Jollibee Dolores. So lungub tamo, lawin tayong lugar. Pakinig po kaya kayo nung nanularetang sa serve takmantala nung ating kaming recommendation po sabihan nila po kaya kayo and oita, let's enjoy a milk tea day. Na ako ngayon kining kilugna ning store. So yung impression ko kayong lugar, the feel and the ambience is wala mo chuka kayong Baguio mga yan. And then metong pangapansin ko kayo ni is sobrang linis at saka organized la. Ngayon capacity na naman ning lugar. Para ka na ako siguro around 10 to 15 person inside. Minsan ala naman ka ring customer ito eh. Halos kasi sasali ka ring milk tea is to go. So sali la, okay, but inuman day along the way or inuman day kayong opisina. Ngubta mo ngayon kayong Karelang Kitchen, lawenta mo ng mga nanodalaga gagawan ding Karelang Milk Tea. So ngubta mo yan, ha? Yan na, may kadugo ko ha. Pwede yan pa. Kita mo yan, hi! Ini na ano pong osyo kanini? Fructose machine. Ha? Usually, ito kanya ng demo ha. Okay. Kapambangan kayo yan po? Opo. Okay. Nanababaw Kabalen. Maya pagkat manapon po, salangin kayo kining California Milk Tea. So, minsan pa magpasalamat kami Karela for inviting us. Kung dito pong pabalo kaya katamu Kabalen na they are open. Hindi po rin Karelang sample dahil Karelang sa serve Kenny. So, congratulations first. Make open na po May 28 of 2019. And then operational hours na po Kenny is Monday to Sunday, it's 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. During Sundays naman, it's 11 a.m. up until 9 p.m. So metong po, sabihan ko lagyu. Ito so ating Okinawa, ating Hokkaido milk tea. This one is Taro, and then winter melon. Yan. Ini naman is Karelang signature milk tea. Signature California milk tea. Wow. So ining metong karentak man tamo kay bat. Ini naman is green apple tea, yogurt tea. Ini is El Camino. So these are one of their special fruit drinks siguro kasi as per our orientation, so atin lang pong talagang real fruit beets din. So this one's strawberry and then this one is apple naman. And then another one is Hickey Boulevard. Wow. And then this one is, how do we, Milbray? So this one is a Milbray. Ini naman is Westboro, Choco Lava, Iced Matcha Delight, and Sea Salt Milk Tea. First to taste test is in Karelang signature. There you go. So as low as, for the regular size, it's 80 pesos. So as low as 80 pesos for the regular price. And then 100 pesos naman kaning large. 100 pesos naman kaning large size sa ini. So there you go. So usually we give it a hard shake para mi yabe-yabe itang, of course, itang cream, itang tea, tsaka itang Karelang boba. And then ito, nakamanta na lang. Petabo Kabalen. So, sigurado yung cameraman ko. Yan, ikaw yung cameraman ko. Buli na lang naman tangman kayo ni. So, muna, tinanguya. So, we'll have the rest of the team or the kakatamong crew and staff Kenny to enjoy Karelang sa serve. Minsan pa po magpasalamat kami kay California Milk Tea for inviting us. They are open from Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. po. And then on Sundays, they are open from 11 a.m. up until 9 p.m. During the night. So, imbitanda kayo po, rin taga Dolores, lalong-lalo na rin bibisita kayo pong JBL, and it's near vicinity ka rin subdivisions. Try tayo po yung pinakabayong milk tea kayo ng Dolores. So, apin to ining California Milk Tea. So once again guys, thank you for watching here in Pampanga. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Nanubabo Kabalen, mag-California Milk Tea Tana! Ano sabi mo ma'am, ulitan mo?
Palago ko, tuna ako team.
Alright! Depende ma'am, portal, benda ka kayong kay. Cellphone.
Cellphone.
At yun na kaking cellphone na lang.
Asa na ako sa cellphone.
Screen.